Yeah. Good morning, students. Namaste. This is online classes. Already we discussed the circles and nearly 12 classes I took that for that bits in the exercise in the chapter circles. It is completed. However, it is completed. Tomorrow on that chapter circles an exam is there, that is 20 questions. Okay na? You try to solve it in a good manner. Okay. Now I want to go to start the matrices. The matrices followed with determinants. Then 4 bits will come on that chapter. It is very nice chapter. You know it well, and it is easy to also. Okay na? I posted already a format that is containing 1 or 2 problems in the matrix and determinants with synopsis also. Okay na? You open that bunch of papers and see that one. Okay na? It is a waste of time to write on the board. Not needed. You open it. Very simple. The synopsis is also not needed to explain on it. For the purpose of the geometry, it is very less concept is there in our regular syllabus. That is why I taught on the board the synopsis of circles, but not needed. For this chapter, it is very simple. You know it well. So without discussing the synopsis, what is the synopsis in the matrices? Addition of matrix, multiplication of matrix is very important. The types of matrices are there. Okay na? What is adjoint A and what is minor and a determinant? Everything is there. Very happily we did those synopsis and concepts in the regular classes. Now I want to directly go to solve the problems. Okay na? Number 1. Capital A is equal to A, B, C, D, a 2 by 2 matrix. Capital I is identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Then A square minus of A plus D, capital A, minus BC minus AD. I will write it now. The first question. Capital A is equal to, it is ABCD. Okay na? I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, identity matrix. And we have to find A square minus of A plus D into A minus BC minus AD into I is equal to dash. Here is the somewhat a typical, you see, A, B, C, D are variables. We have to, by using the Tondi method, you see, in the Tondi method, A is equal to D is equal to 1, you assume, and B is equal to C is equal to, okay na, 0 you assume. Okay na? 1, 1, 0, 0. Then what is A square? A square minus 1 plus 1, A minus 0 minus 1 into I. This one and this one. A square minus 2A minus into minus plus I. Okay na? What is actually A square? A square is also 1, 1, 0, 0 na? So it is also I. Because it will become as by using AD 1, 1, you observe me. It is 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 1. Again it is I1. Okay na? Minus 2I plus I. I square is nothing but I minus 2I plus I is equal to null matrix. Okay na? So first option. Okay na? Like that we have to go. Well, here in order to use directly finding A square and A plus D into A and BC minus AD into I, by simplification, these are all things, at last we will get the same. But they are the variables. We substitute any value for A, B, C, D. Okay na? It is very simple. Right. So first option is correct. Next. AB is equal to, second one you observe me. AB is equal to A and BA is equal to B, then A square plus B square value is asked. Okay na? A square plus B square value is asked. Just wait. Now, what is the value of A square plus B square? Okay na? Right. You say the solution A square plus B square is equal to A into A plus B into B now. A into B into B. Yeah. This A is mentioned. What is A? A means AB. AB is there. Okay, na? Plus. What is B? B is BA into B. Okay, na? For A I substitute AB. For B I substitute BA. Here you put like this only. It is A into, what is BA? BA is again B plus B into, what is AB? AB is again A. Don't confuse. Here A is AB, but by using the associative law, BA put in bracket. Here also AB put in bracket. What is AB? AB is A plus it is B. So answer is, I think it is also first option. Okay na? Yeah. Next, third one. Here also it is a first option. It is first option. Here also it is a first option. I go to third problem. Third problem is A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. E is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. And what is AI plus BE? Okay na? AI plus BE is asked. Whole square, whole cube. It is a whole cube. What is the value of this one? Okay na? Here you see this is I only, but it is given just like A. You mention it is I only. With confusion, to make you a confusion, A is given. A means, of course it is A, but A it is 1, 0, 0, 1 is I. Okay. And we have to find the value of AI plus BE whole cube. Okay na? Right. Here also you substitute A is equal to B is equal to sum 2. It is a 20 method. Okay, the substitution method. So it will become as it is 2I plus 2E whole cube. What is 2I? It is 2, 0, 0, 2 na, plus 2E. E means this one. 0, 2, 0, 0. Okay, now whole cube. Again it is, you see that it is 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 0 is 0. It is again 2 plus 0 is 2. Okay, na? Whole cube. That means 2, 2, 0, 2 into 2, 2, 0, 2 into 2, 2, 0, 2. It is 2 into 2, 4. It is 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4, 8. 0, 0, 0. Again it is 0 plus 4. Okay, na? It is arithmetic. You can solve it. First two matrices product is this one. Again it is 2 to 0, 2 is there. Again it is 8. Again it is 8 plus 16 is 24. This is 0. It is 8. Okay, na? It is one thing. You take for example third one. Third option. Third option is, you see, A cube I plus 3 A square B E is there. A cube means 2 cube. A is 2 na, 2 cube it is 8I plus 3 into A square is 2 square is 4. 4 2 is 12. 12 into again B is 2. 12 2 is 24 E. That means it is 8 0 0 8. 8I means 8 0 0 8. It is 24E means 0 1 0 0. Again we get the same 8 24 0 8. Okay na? Both are same. So third option is correct. Okay, like that you may solve. Or otherwise, by going directly, this is a very time-taking process. Okay. Again, fourth one. Capital A is equal to 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. Okay, na? And we are asked to find A power n. It is a very fantastic problem. After all completion of exercise, this problem is there. By using the mathematical induction, we proved it there only. Okay, na? Before the miscellaneous. Okay, na? It's a very good problem. You see, what is the value of A power n? Options are there. But you see, 20 method, n is equal to 1 you assume. Okay, na? N is equal to 1 or 2 also. Directly we will take 2. N is equal to 2. When n is equal to 2 means A square, this one, is A square. A square means A into A. Means 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1 into 3 minus 4, this is 1 minus 1. It is 9. Okay, na? 9 minus 4 is 5. 3 is 9. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. Minus 12 plus 4. Minus 8. 3 into minus 4, minus 12. This is plus 4. So it is 8. Minus 8. It is 3 minus 1, minus 4. It is minus 4 plus 1, minus 3. It's correct? You see now. Okay, na? But the same n is equal to, we substitute in the options. For example, first option. First option is, you see in your textbook, in the bunch of papers. 1 plus 2n is there. 1 plus 2 into 2, 5. 1 plus 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Minus 4 into 2 is 8. And minus 2 will come. N is 2. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So this is wrong. Here must be 4. Second option is take it. 1 plus 2n is same 5. And minus 4n is same, minus 8 same. And n is there. N is equal to how much? N is equal to 2. Here also it wrong. It is wrong. You take third one. 1 plus I think it is minus 2 is something mistake is there. You correct it. The second option is correct one. You have to get just 1 minute. It is 3 plus 1, 4 is correct. 3 plus minus 1, 2 is correct. This is 3 minus 1, 2 plus 2 is correct. Here is correct, second one is correct, and minus 3 will come. So this is correct and the third is wrong. Yes, correct, it is correct. Okay. Arithmetic mistake is there. That is. So here we can understand that by putting n is equal to 1 or 2 or 3. Mostly 2 you take it. Next, fifth one. Fifth one is capital A is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1. And here also A plus n plus 1 is equal to dash is given. Okay, na? Here also by 20 method you substitute n is equal to 1. Here also you substitute n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 means in this one it is 1 plus 1 this it is A square. A square means 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Okay, na? 1 into 1 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 1 plus 1 2 will come. If you take 2 as common, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. It is 2a. Okay, na? A square is equal to 2a. 2a is there. A square is 2a. Option you see, third option, you see the third option, it is 2 power 1a. What is n is 1 into a, it is 2a. So both are same. So third option is the correct one. Okay, na? Like that we can solve the problems. One thing I want to tell you, Nana, you see, here is the problem is in the camera, if you on it, there is no that facility to make it as a pause. In my home, I am taking 10 minutes, just put a pause and I will take just 1 or 2 minutes, I can sit on the chair and again I will go. It is a continuous process, even 1 hour, 1.5 hours also I can. But here is the problem, without stopping that camera, I am not possible. So sometimes I will give the online classes through in my home only, okay, na? With my cell phone. It is also very clear, I think. Okay, na? Please try to understand me. You know what is my problem. Okay, next, sixth one. If A, B are two square matrices such that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, then what is the condition? If A plus B is equal to A square plus B square, sixth question you see, we are given A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, where A and B are square matrices. We are given square matrices only. Square matrices. Okay. Actually, A plus B, it is algebra, the arithmetic formula. Like that is there. But in the matrices, not possible. A plus B into A plus B. Okay, now associative law will be followed. A into A square. A into B is AB. But B into A is BA. B into B is a B square. You see, it follows the distributive law. Matrix multiplication follows the distributive law, associative law. Distributive law means, we know that A of B plus C is equal to AB plus AC is a distributive law. Associative law means A of BC is nothing but AB into C. In the previous problem we used that one. Here, but it does not follow the commutative law. Commutative law it doesn't follow. Actually, the matrix, in the matrix, only up to this one is over. But what is given here? 2AB. That means, you see, it is A square plus AB plus, it is also AB plus B square. If only we can get A square plus 2AB plus B square. He is given like this. So, actually matrix multiplication doesn't follow the commutative law. But here it must follow. That means AB is equal to BA. So that option is there. Second option. Okay, that is the thing. Next. F of x is equal to 2x. We are given seventh one. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3. And what we are given again? Capital A is equal to a matrix. It is 4, 3, 2, 7. We are given 4, 3, 2, 7 is given. That is A. Then f of A values asked. F of A is asked there. You see, You see, f of a is equal to 2a plus 3. 2 into 4, 3, 2, 7 plus 3. That is 8 plus 6. Multiplication of a scalar with a matrix. It must multiply all the elements inside the matrix. 4 and 14. Plus, I think this is 3i. Means it is 3, 0, 0, 3. So it is 11, 6, 4 and it is 7. Okay, like that we can solve the problem. Again, right. Eighth one, if A is an idempotent matrix, idempotent and idempotent, both are same. Pronunciation is only difference. If A is an idempotent matrix, then I minus A is dash. You see, it's a very nice concept. Identity, symmetric, nilpotent, idempotent. Okay, na? Which one is correct? I minus A. You see here a very good concept is there. Observe me. A very good concept is there. Observe me. Eighth question. You mention not idempotent. Idempotent matrix means if A is a square matrix, first of all, square matrix and A square is equal to A square is equal to A, again A is idempotent matrix, then A is called, A is called idempotent matrix. Okay, now you remember it. Here only I want to tell. Nilpotent. Nilpotent matrix. Nilpotent matrix means if A square is equal to 0 or A cube is equal to a null matrix 0 or A power n is equal to 0. Mostly in our syllabus A square is equal to 0 only. Okay, A square is equal to 0 or A cube is equal to 0, A power 4 is equal to 0, A power n is equal to 0. Then A is called, okay, A is called nilpotent. Nilpotent matrix. Okay, na? It is a nilpotent matrix. It is a different one. Not it is included in the 8th question. But I want to tell here only. This is not in our syllabus. This is idempotent. Idempotent. Okay, na? Like idempotent matrix. A square is equal to A. Nilpotent matrix, it must be 0. There, A square is equal to A only, B square is equal to B only, C square is equal to C only. Idempotent. Nilpotent matrix means A square is equal to 0 or B square is equal to 0, like that. Okay, na? Involuntary. Involuntary matrix is there. Involuntary matrix. It is If A square is equal to I, involuntary matrix, it is called as a involuntary. Okay, Nana? Then A square only, not A cube. Only nilpotent A cube is like that. Then A is called as okay na, involuntary matrix. Okay, na? Like that. Now we come to the problem, that is the eighth one, is related to the idempotent matrix. You see, let eighth one, capital X is equal to I minus A. Capital X is equal to I minus A. Then X square is equal to I minus A whole square. That is equal to I square. Already we solved. I square minus 2 into I into A plus A square. That is I square. The square of identity matrix is itself only. I square is I cube is I. Minus 2 into I into any matrix is that matrix A. That is A square. So I minus, okay na? I minus, you see, A is given as what is the condition? A is idempotent matrix. A is idempotent matrix means it must be A again, because A square is equal to A, because it is idempotent. So it is 2A plus A square is A. So I minus A na, 2A minus plus A is minus A. It is again X. So X square is equal to X means, therefore X is also idempotent. What is X? X means I minus A is idempotent. So I think it is a third option. Okay, na? Like that. Not third then, it is a fourth option. Right. Like that you solve the eighth, ninth one also. It is a simple arithmetic. A, B is given A plus B, you find out the sum of addition of two matrices and make it a square. And separately A square you find it and B square you find it. You add it, both are equal. Through that one you can find A, B values, small a, small b. It is a simple one, you may solve it. Okay. Some problems are there. The ink is not, marker is not good here. That is the problem. Okay, and please. 10th one. Capital A is equal to, it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Capital A is given. It is 10th problem. 9 is you solve it. 9th problem. Capital A is equal to 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. And we have to find what is A power 5. Here you take 3 as common, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So it is 3A. So A is equal to 3I. What is A means? 3I. Then A power 5 is 3I whole power 5. 3 power 5, I power 5. That is 3 power 5 into I power any index. I power 100 also I won't. So it is 3 power 5 means it is 243 I think. 243 I. ఓకేనా 243 I means it is 81 into 3